You searched how to buy shares of MFA Financial Inc., so this short guide shows the practical steps. MFA Financial Inc. is a mortgage REIT listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MFA. This is educational information and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the flow. After registering, you will typically need to verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MFA to locate the listing. Make sure you select MFA Financial Inc. on the NASDAQ exchange before continuing. On the Asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent movement. Double-check the company name and the MFA ticker to confirm it is the correct stock. Click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your MFA position will appear in your portfolio view. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.